How to enable dark mode in Khan Academy. If you have been using the Khan Academy application and wondering on how to turn on the dark mode on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to enable the dark mode, tap onto settings at the top right corner, right here, select it. Then here you can find dark mode, just right here. Now tap onto this button right here to turn it on, just like this. And now you can see the dark mode is turned on. Now do the same process to turn off the dark mode, just like this. And that's it. This is how you can enable dark mode in the Khan Academy app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.